Hello and welcome to our channel everyone. This is Bird Loft and today we are going to do a short tour of our bird loft. We want you to see how beautiful it is and also how much effort has been given into. So let's begin. This is this is how it looks from the outside, the entrance, and how beautiful it is. See, you can see how much cleanliness and hygiene has been maintained, and there are so many beautiful birds inside. Mostly they are all pigeons right now because we're doing pigeon breeding for now, and there are different varieties of pigeon. We'll see how and which ones they are. We'll go inside in a bit. So this is morning time and all the birds are awake and they're chirping so beautifully. Now let's get inside of it. So this is the look from the inside. You can see there's so much cleanliness and how well the birds have been kept. And we'll see what varieties are there. There are some which are not here currently. They are in some other state because of lockdown. We could not arrange for the transportation, but all new birds have been added and they will be added in a month or so. So they're going to increase. Right now there are more than 70 birds here. Many of them are fancy and some are the flyers, and there are also young ones. So I'm showing you all the varieties now. If you noticed, we had short face also above, back there. Now these are Pouters, these are Siraji pair, Fantails, beautiful ones. A lot of other ones also like King, Bukhara. We update on Instagram some of the pics and the varieties. These are also Fantails, another Siraji pair. So we update on Instagram, and if you have not followed us yet and if you're interested, please follow us. We have flyers also and the young ones. You can see them, how beautiful they are. The colors, white, black, brown, the plumage, so beautiful. The feathers, the eyes. So if you follow us on Instagram, you'll get all the daily updates. We update the pics and also some important information. So please follow us at the rate Sayed_bird_loft on Instagram. Also, if you like this channel, if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. And we are coming to an end of this tour. So if you like this tour, if you're inspired by it, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.